we are going to be
doing a movie.
Yeah, and there's gonna be like five
parts.
like 5 parts. 5 less, more, whatever. A lot of parts. So first check this one out, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one.
Oh god, there's not gonna be that many. Even over 5, I think.
Reminds me later, and then no from the pals. Ways to kill your friends in Minecraft. The pals. No, I don't want to watch that.
You do know where on
Yeah.
you just humiliated yourself in front of the
No,
whole
I
world.
No one even watches us.
Well, except Ernest and Kenya.
They don't care about it.
And Michelle.
Okay.
Oh no.
Darn it! What's going on?
Oh, I died in the game.
You were screaming and everything like, ah!
Yeah.
What's this? Who is this human? Hello.
I don't even know. Who are you?
Hey, you're hanging out in her room, so you can hang out with us.
Yeah. And it's gonna
Why'd
be
you go like that in their face? That is very rude. Let me close this door.
If you want to be our friend, we're gonna ask you a few questions.
Yeah, Bob. Girl.
Yeah.
So we are very funny people. You better be funny too.
Yeah. All right.
I'm looking right into your eyes.
Here's question number 1. I don't like this guy.
I don't like the looks of them.
I have one question for you. What are those? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. What's your name?
Yeah, guy. What's your name? Are you one of those silent people? Or something?
You can speak now. You can speak. You're kidding me. What?
I'm Samantha.
What?
I'm Samantha. I am tall, right? I'm not gonna talk anymore. I don't like talking. My throat hurts. Okay. So just let me not talk.
Caitlin!
Yeah.
She talked, but she doesn't want to talk anymore because her throat hurts.
Oh well. Props to you. So
It's okay.
So you're now our friend. So hang on, let me go this way. All right. Okay. Let's do piano lesson.
Let's see how good you are at it, huh?
Yeah.
Are you good at piano lessons?
I'm gonna go back this way.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, just come on this way.
Yes, you may. Yes.
Wanna sit on the bed? Why are you acting like she's a dog?
I don't even know. Anyways, you wanna learn? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So first, you're gonna hit G. You see this G right here?
I don't think she wants to.
Well,
let's just.
I don't think she's nodding her head.
Are you okay?
You don't like piano lessons, do you?
Here. Do you want to do this?
Try the VR experience.
Huh? Here.
Whoa. So realistic. I dropped something. What did I drop? I better take thing off. Oh, how did it feel?
You dropped the book. I'm gonna go put it away.
Do you like VR? I bet you do. And if you do, you're amazing.
Why'd you shake your head no?
Oh,
It's awesome.
I love it, but I died.
Yeah, and the one thing I'm gonna do. How about the horror one? And then. Oh, okay. I have to do that. Oh, this is creepy. There's a doll right there. And it has blood on it.
Ew.
Ah! You scared me. I thought I was touching like ghosts. So, okay. I can't do this anymore. How was your experience in the closet one? The closet one is probably the calmest because all you are in is a closet.
Yeah.
You're saying no? Why?
Serious?
I don't like that girl anymore.
Ooh, I have an idea. Let me go grab my gun. Yes, I have a gun. My father
It's right
told
over
me to
here.
use it.
It goes with the VR for the things she was doing earlier. I think you
Whack
saw.
with it. It's fake, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry. It looks really fake too, so.
Yeah.
Can't believe you don't know VR and you don't like VR. It's
Hey,
stupid.
you
want to make a YouTube video? We got this awesome flip camera.
Yeah,
You want it? Okay, let me start it.
Get ready.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we got a new friend. Say hi. Oh, yeah, I forgot. She doesn't
Want to talk to
she doesn't really talk.
She's shy.
I know, I just realized. I'm so stupid. I wasn't even recording and I wasn't recording me if I was. Hang on. 3, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we got a new friend. So she can't say hi because she doesn't like to talk. But I'll show you her. Yep, that's her. So anyway, guys, I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. It has to be fun though, right?
Oh yeah, this is. Oh no, never mind. Nunchucks.
Okay. Hold up. Ooh. Hey. What's I gonna say? You guys can see our Cosmo. So, yeah.
Sorry.
What the heck? It's just technical difficulties. What? It was.
It was like it's glitching.
Weird.
Oh,
Sorry, guys.
this is scary.
We're gonna end the video here because we just wanted to show you guys our friends, I guess. So bye. Goodbye, dudes. Why do you whisper it? See ya. Okay, that video was horrible. That's why I am not even going to post it.
Whoopie doodles. I need a drink of my water.
My water. Hey, you want to see them? Wanna play with them? Why are you looking down? Here.
He makes weird noises, but he's
don't want to touch him, do you? Why do you keep looking down? Look up. Here, let me put your head.
Oh, you're blurry. Do you need glasses?
I did the. You literally put a Band-Aid over your eye.
A big Band-Aid.
Look. It's on.
It's so tiny. How could you fit that over your eyes? So weird.
Well, it was probably. See, I saw her one eye closed and this one was. Probably because you were scared. Were you scared?
Yeah.
So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow, I guess, because it's getting pretty late. So